So in this video, I'm going to show you how to gain followers on TikTok with TikTok ads so you could qualify for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. This is going to be super useful if you're starting from scratch and if you need to hit that 1,000 follower or the 5,000 follower threshold in order to qualify. Now, in case you didn't know, in order to qualify for the TikTok Shop affiliate program, you do need to have at least 1,000 followers for the pilot program, which gives you limited access. Or if you have 5,000 followers, then that would give you full access. And running ads to your account is one of the fastest ways to gain the necessary followers, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And when you use the link in the description below, it will take you to this page. And once you're on this page, just click on Start Now. And here you would just need to enter your email and password to sign up for an account. And you can check this checkbox and just click on Sign Up. And here you would just need to fill out some basic information about your business. And for business name, if you don't have an official business name, you can just put your legal first and last name. And when you're done, let's click on Continue. So on the next page here, we would just need to select our advertising objective. So make sure that brand awareness is selected. And then on the right-hand side, you will want to select community interaction. That's the option that we want to select, and then just click on Continue. And then you could give it a campaign name. So you can just put down gain followers or any other name that you want to give it. For optimization goal, you want to make sure that it's follow. And then any of the advanced settings, you could just leave it the way it is. And then just click on Continue. And then here you would just need to connect your TikTok account. You could also do the authorized post, but I just find it easier if you just connect your actual TikTok account. So let's click on Connect TikTok account. And then you would just need to verify your email. Just click on Send Code here, and then enter the verification code here. Click on Confirm. And then you could just log into your TikTok account. So let me go ahead to log in. And once you're logged in, you can just scroll down here and click on Continue. And then you should be able to see your TikTok account linked here. So next we would just need to select the creatives that we want to use to run the ads to. So let's click on videos and images. So these are going to be the posts that you have already posted on your TikTok account. So what you want to do is just to select the creatives, either the image or the videos that you want to run the ads to. So I would just go ahead to select a post just as an example. So let me just go ahead to select this one. Click on Confirm. Click on Continue. So here we could set the targeting and the budget. So for targeting, you could just leave it at automatic for now. Let's scroll down here and go to budget. And for budget, we can set a daily budget of $30. And obviously, if you want to set a higher budget so you can get results faster, you definitely can. And let's scroll down. And for the schedule, we can select continue for at least 7 days. And after you're done, you can just click publish. And the next step is you need to enter your payment information. And after you do that, it will process your payment. And then you'll see this automatic payment activated. And after a few seconds, you should see this congratulations message. So let's click on close. So we can close all these boxes here. And here is the campaign. And then under status, it will say pending. So it typically takes TikTok a few hours to approve your ads. So that's totally normal. So for the TikTok ads, there are like 3 levels. First, we have the campaigns. So for our campaign is the Get Followers campaign. And underneath the campaign, we have ad group, where you can group the different types of ads. And then we have the ads itself, which is the creatives that we are running ads to. So within one campaign, you can have multiple ad group, and you can also have multiple ads within the ad group. So let me show you an example. So let's click on ad group, and that will take you to the ad group level. We can click on edit. And this is where you can edit the ad group settings. So you can rename the ad group. So let's name this ad group 1. So we can scroll down here and look at the targeting. So currently our targeting for location wise is people in the United States. So if you want to test out different demographics, because when you target different countries, typically you do get a lower cost. So that depends on what objectives you want for the ad. If you want a US-based audience, then you definitely want to run ads to the US-based audience. But if your objective is to just get as many followers as possible for the lowest cost possible, then you could consider to switching the locations to different countries like India or Pakistan or any countries that will get you a lower cost. So for now, I'll just leave it at United States. And the same thing for age group. You can select a different age group to see which one will give you the best results. And for what I've seen, if you want to keep costs as low as possible, a lot of people select age 13 to 24. Those two are the age groups that will give you the highest engagement rate with the lowest cost from what I've seen. And for gender, I like to keep it at all. And for the rest, I would like to keep it as broad as possible because typically, if you keep your ad as broad as possible, that will lower your cost. The general rule of thumb is the more targeting, the more detailed your targeting is, the higher that's going to cost. So for languages, I have it set at all. And I'll just show you if you want to select a different language. So let's say we want to select English. We can just click here and select English. Spending power is all. And the rest, I will just keep it as broad as possible. And once you're done with the targeting, you can click on Save at the bottom. So next, let's come to the ad level. So let's click on Add. And let's click on Duplicate. So here we are duplicating another ad into an existing campaign and the existing ad group. Just click on Duplicate. So I just want to show you this. If you want to run like your ads to like a different specific creatives, this is what you do. So for the ad, you can just name it, let's say ad 2. And then here you would just click on Update. And then here is where you could select a different post in your TikTok account. And once you do that, just click on Confirm. And that's all you have to do in order to run the ads to a different creatives. And then we can come down here and click on Publish All. And then your ad is going to be created. And then you see this congratulations screen. And as you can see here, under the ads section, you'll see the two different ads with the two different posts. So that's how you can create different ads within the same ad group and the same campaign. And then let's scroll to the right side and I'll show you the two important metrics that you want to pay attention to. The first one is CPM. So CPM basically means it's the cost that you pay for 1,000 impressions. So this means how much you're paying for your ad to be shown 1,000 times. So for example, let's say if you have a $6 CPM, that basically means that you pay $6 every time your ads gets 1,000 views. And let's scroll more to the right. And what you want to look at for a campaign like this is cost per result. So in this campaign, your cost per result is cost per follow. So this tells you how much you're paying for one follower basically. So for example, if you see a 6 cents cost per result here, that means you're paying 6 cents for every one follower. So for a campaign like this is how much it will cost you in order to reach 5,000 followers. So let's say if your cost per follow or cost per result is at 6 cents, that will cost you around $300. And let's say if your cost per result is at 10 cents, that will typically cost you $500 total in order to reach approximately 5,000 followers. So this is just to give you a better idea of how much it will cost you to run ads to gain followers on your account.